Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to link Ubisoft or Ubisoft account to Steam. So first things first, you need to download this to your desktop or laptop. You just have to go to Ubisoft or ubisoft.com and then look for download, and after that run this as administrator or install this to your device. Once done, then you need to create an account. So you just have to follow some instruction here in order for you to create an account, and after that, you should see your UBI soft here. Now what you're going to do next is tap your profile at the bottom left corner. And then this time you have to look for settings, tap on settings. Now here you have to look for other device, which you can see here on the left side. And below you should see this remind me of account linking next time I launch a Steam game. Tap this one and then now you can tap on the close button. Open your Steam account. You can go to your start menu, type Steam, and then open, log into your Steam account. And what you're going to do here is you have to look for a library and then select a game. So you just have to simply look for any game on Steam, for example, Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, Rainbow, etc. And then after that, you just have to simply tap the game, and you need to enter your Ubisoft or Ubisoft account login details. So once you're logged in, the Steam will automatically link that Ubisoft account to your Steam account. For example, if you have downloaded a game right here, you just have to click, and then after that, Ubisoft game will then ask you to connect your Steam to Ubisoft. Then all you have to do is to confirm. So every Ubisoft game you play through Steam will be connected to the same Ubisoft account. Now you have to take note that you can only link one Ubisoft account to your Steam account. Once linked, it cannot be changed without Ubisoft support. Make sure you're logged in into the correct Ubisoft account before linking, otherwise your progress or DLC might be tied to wrong one. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.